Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Shiba Inu to Metamask Wallet. For that, you need to launch your Metamask app and then log in into your account if you haven't already. After that, you need to just tap on this top arrow button and select the Ethereum main network. Now once you are in the Ethereum main network, you just have to wait for some time until it refreshes for you. Now you just have to scroll down a bit and select the import tokens option. Over here, you just have to use the search bar, and in the search bar, you need to search for Shiba Inu. Once you are able to find Shiba Inu, you just have to tap on it, and then you just have to tap on the import button. Sometimes it get hanged, so you just have to work with it patiently. Then you just have to tap on Shiba and you just have to add it in your Metamask wallet. If you are not able to find Shiba Inu coin over here, then select the custom token option and provide the Shiba Inu contract address over here. You can get the contract address from CoinGecko and even coinmarketcap.com. So from there, you just have to copy the contract address and paste over here and then press next in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to select the import token option in order to import Shiba Inu into your Metamask wallet. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.